Hi, it's Nev, and I want to talk about planning our website and sorting out the colors. Now, here's an example of a color which has come from another website. The RGB is defined and the CMYK is defined. We can use either. RGB is probably a little quicker. Now, I could go into, I want to document this so that I can insert a where's my shapes gone? The illustration, where's my shapes here? Because I'm on a big screen, it's just not looking too familiar for me at the moment. If I create that shape, I'm going to go and make no outline. I'm going to right click and check on the fill and choose more colors, and I can put my RGB in here. 0, tab 134, tab 163, and I should end up with exactly the same color. Before I close this, I'm going to screenshot that by going Alt Print Screen. And so I can come back to my, and then let's say, okay, I've changed that to the exact color I want. I'm going to actually right click and I'm going to put this bring to the front wrap text. I'm going to put this in line with the text. I'm going to put a few spaces in, paste my screenshot, Control V, and I'm going to enlarge that color sample so that it looks as if that's what I want. Now, another way to do this is to go into Dreamweaver itself, and you could click on a section, go to the background. This has not got RGB, well, it's got the hexadecimal form of RGB. You could pick a color that you like because you probably don't want anything too bright if it's a background. You're not going to get much visible. I suppose you could put white over the top of that, but I'm going to choose a faint background. If I'm wondering what the RGB is for that, I could work it out using my maths, or I could copy that and I could go to Photoshop. By the way, let's have a look at the color. There it is, nice pastel color. I can come into Photoshop, I can click on my color picker here, and I can paste the hex, and immediately I get my RGB 217217194. So I can put that back into Word. I'll create another one here. In fact, I've got one here. I'll just recolor it. Right click, fill. I want to have more colors. I want it to go 217, tab 217, tab 194. I can screenshot that, Alt Print Screen, OK, and backspace paste. There's my second color done. So I'm using a range of tricks to define the colors that I want. Also in Dreamweaver, you may want to just look and see how the colors look next to one another.